Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 7, so ideal for new drivers, and this car has a very low mileage of just over 18,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the metallic magnetic grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look aside, you also got the nice clean interior. The seats there are in really good condition. There's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, this car has the rare factory option of the satellite navigation and DAB radio that didn't come as standard. A few other features I can mention: the car also has Bluetooth, air conditioning, Ford's quick clear windscreen, so on a frosty morning you can defrost the windscreen without getting the de-icer out. And then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a small hatchback, the Fiesta has always had a good sized boot, so it's nice and deep and square, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the upholster shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which again is rare, you've also got the full-size spare wheel, so not even a space saver, but a full-size spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, and the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.